When a patient has lost some sleep or they've been dealing with severe tooth pain, it can often be very intimidating to come to the dentist. A lot of patients say that root canals, or they've had experience of root canals being painful, but in my experience, most patients have very pain-free root canal experiences, and a lot of times they're the most grateful patients once you're done working on them, because the pain that was causing them to lose sleep, or the pain that was really causing them that was distracting them from work, is no longer with them, and to be able to take that pain away from them is such a blessing for the patient. Some of the big advances in root canal therapy is being able to utilize 3D technology, which we have here, and that way you can identify all those irritated nerves that some people have accessory nerves in the tooth, and by being able to identify those irritated nerves and confidently clean them out and disinfect them in a way that alleviates the pain for a patient. We understand that a lot of patients who come in need of a root canal therapy are in a great deal of pain, and we really pride ourselves in being able to take the patient out of pain before we start that root canal, and that way it's a painless procedure, and when they're done with it, the pain's gone and they can actually finally get some sleep and they can concentrate on their work and go back to their normal life.